In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a text box with colour here in Canva. Now, unfortunately, Canva doesn't actually have the option to add a colour on the standard text box. So if we look up here, there's no way to actually do this. But there is a little workaround, and we're going to utilise Canva's shapes. So if we come over to Elements just here, and then click on this square, we can use this. Now there is a keyboard shortcut for this as well, which is R on the keyboard. If I press that, it quickly pulls up a little box like this. Now let me just delete this one, but if we click onto here, we can actually double click and then we have the option to add text. So your text would be just here. Now what else we can do is actually enlarge this text box to however we want. We can then also enlarge the text just like this. We can also bold the text and all of the other options which we usually have, and we can change the font in this text box as well, just like that. Now if you want to change the colour of this text box, we can again simply click onto there, come to the little colour icon just here, and then we can choose any colour that we want. So let's go with this pink. We can also round the corner of this text box as well by increasing this bar on the corner rounding, and we can also add a border style to this as well, just like that, and then increase the border weight as well. And if you want to change the colour of the text, we can simply click onto this text box and then just change the colour like we normally would, just like that. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to fill a text box with colour here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.